Hey everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm super excited to show you some DIY Play-Doh popsicles. I know you've seen me make quite a few of these popsicles,
but have you ever seen me make a Pokemon popsicle? I think not. This is gonna be totally awesome!
Grab your Play-Doh cans if you want to make it with me. You'll need brown, light blue, red, white, and black. You'll also need 2 popsicle sticks, a rolling pin, a popsicle guide, and a cookie cutter with ridges. Alright, let's make the inside of the first popsicle.
I chose dark brown because it looks like chocolate. Yum, chocolate!
I'll just roll it out with my rolling pin until it's big enough for my popsicle guide. Now lay the guide on top and cut around it. And here's the inside of my first popsicle. I'll go ahead and repeat the same steps using some white Play-Doh.
This is gonna be vanilla and chocolate.
First, I'll make a Pokeball popsicle using some red Play-Doh for the top. After I roll it out, I'll cut a straight side and then lay it on top of the popsicle. I'll use my hands to mold all around it until it's covered. Time to make the black strip that goes on a Pokeball. I'll just roll out some Play-Doh and then cut a thin strip. I'll lay this under my red Play-Doh. Now I'll do the same thing I did with the red Play-Doh using some white Play-Doh. This is going to be the bottom part of our Pokeball. Yay, this is really coming together! But it's still missing the button. I'll squish down some black Play-Doh and then some white Play-Doh. Now I'll do the same thing for the white Play-Doh, but make it a little bit smaller than the black one. I'll layer those two together to make the button.
How cool does this look? But for the finishing touch, we need to add the popsicle stick.
Now that we have our Pokeball, let's make a Pokemon to go with it.
Who should I make? Squirtle, I choose you!
I'll make Squirtle with some light blue Play-Doh. Squirtle is one of my favorite Pokemon. Let me know in the comments which one's yours. I'll just lay the blue right on top of the white and then completely cover it. Awesome! Now let's make his eyes. I'll just use a little bit of black Play-Doh and mold it into an oval with a straight bottom. Now I'll add some white details. And Squirtle has red eyes. Okay, let's add his facial features. His eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth. To make Squirtle's tongue, I mixed red and white Play-Doh together to make pink. All we need to do now is add the popsicle stick. And here's my Squirtle popsicle.
Squirtle, 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 Squirtle. Squirtle, I choose you. Water gun attack now. And now bubble beam. And now let's finish them off with hydro pump. Woohoo! We won!
Alright, that battle got me a little hungry. Let's take a pretend bite out of these popsicles.
Look at all that chocolate inside.
And now Squirtle. Yum, vanilla ice cream. Here's both of our delicious looking popsicles. I know they look pretty tasty, but don't actually eat it.
That would be gross.
Let me know in the comments which Pokemon you want me to make next, and then click that like button if you enjoyed this video. Well, this was a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!